Welcome back to M.B.C. It's almost Easter, so today we'll be making an Easter-themed cake. I'm going to be making a chocolate cake covered in chocolate ganache with cookie crumbs at the bottom that sugar carrots are growing from. Then at the top, there's going to be an Easter bunny surrounded by Easter eggs. The ingredients you will need for the chocolate cake are flour, milk, cocoa powder, eggs, baking powder, and caster sugar. The utensils you will need for the chocolate cake are a stand mixer, a spatula, and a grease or lined pan or tin. The ingredients you will need for decorating are crushed Oreos, white chocolate, whipping cream, mini chocolate eggs, an Easter bunny, and lots of sugar carrots. The only utensils you will need for decorating are 2 spoons. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees fan forced. I almost forgot, you also need butter. Before you do this, make sure your butter is completely softened. Now, mix your cream, eggs, and butter. Now, add in all your dry ingredients. If your batter starts to creep up the sides, all you need to do is turn your mixer off and wipe down the sides with your spatula. Your batter should look something like this. Once you've poured your batter in your mold, you need to bake for 40 or so minutes. For our ganache, we're going to mix our chocolate and our cream in a microwave-safe bowl, and we are going to stir every 30 seconds until both our ingredients are combined. The consistency of your ganache should look something like this. Once your cake is cooled, you can slightly level the top, like I have, to make it look a bit nicer. Then, we're going to pour our white chocolate ganache on top. What I've done is moved my cake to its final boil. Now, I'm going to take the cookie crumbs and put them around the base. Then stick the carrots to the side to make it look like carrots are growing from the cookie crumb soil. Time to place our chocolate bunny and our chocolate eggs on our chocolate cake. And here's our final product. Happy Easter to you guys! And remember, baking should always be fun. Thanks for watching M.B.C. Bye! See you